Uconnect is your Pacifica's infotainment system, managing navigation, audio, and more. If you're experiencing a black screen, freezing, or software glitches, a reset is often the first solution. There are three main types: a soft reboot, which is like restarting your phone, a hard reboot that's a bit more forceful, and a factory reset, which restores the system to its original state. Recent advancements, like over-the-air updates introduced in 2023 and expanded in 2025, reduce the need for manual resets. If your Pacifica is a 2024 or 2025 model, it likely receives automatic fixes for common glitches. Before diving into any reset, understand the differences to avoid unnecessary data loss. Start with a soft reboot and only proceed to a factory reset if absolutely necessary. As of June 2025, a voluntary recall program has been announced for 1.2 million vehicles worldwide. Loading the reset methods for your vehicle system. Let's walk through the reset methods. A soft reboot involves holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary glitches without erasing your data. Good for app freezes. A hard reboot, if the soft reboot doesn't work, involves disconnecting the battery or using the vehicle's ignition sequence and holding the power button. This forces a deeper reset, often fixing black screens by resetting the system's microcontroller. If all else fails, a factory reset is your last resort. Access it via the Uconnect menu or a diagnostic tool. It erases all user data, restoring the system to default settings, and should only be used for severe issues. Remember, OTA updates, now standard in 90% of new Pacificas as of September 2025, have significantly reduced the need for these manual resets, so ensure your system is up to date.